Great, like I can care less about. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. You already know what time it is. As you can see from the title, we're just going to continue on. We're pulling the car apart today. So let me show you guys a few things. So we are in my personal space right now. That's all you got to see. But right over here, we got my this is my tote of car parts. So everything's in here. Old license plates, so I have to turn that in. Literally parts for my car. It might be hard to see right now, but everything car-wise in there, and one of my wheels. Because I didn't record it, but I'm cleaning out the back, so that way we can finally start taking out the carpet. From what I'm seeing, we just have to take out the lower seat, not the whole seat. Eventually we will take it out, but for now, just to get the carpet out, we just have to take the lower part of the seat out. So we're gonna get that out today, and then once we get that out, we'll start pulling the carpet out. And literally by this weekend, we'll be dyeing the carpet. And that's gonna be fun. I'm super excited about that. But yeah, so let the vlog begin. You already know what it is. We gotta get this all out really quick, so let me grab that real quick. Bro, there's no way.
The V-drop.
The V-drop on the ice cream truck? Wait for it to come back around. The ice cream truck. Man, we got it out. That's awesome. So see, that was the biggest part. Also getting these little side panels out too, but that was the biggest part because you see the carpet is basically like sitting underneath it. So now it's really coming out. We just got to get these sides out, and then we can really start pulling this whole thing out. We got both sides out. We're gonna start just taking these out. This is gonna be one of the hard parts. This and doing all of this, man. This is gonna be hard because I got something special for the headliner. I can't wait for that part, but man, we're getting there. I'm so mad I forgot to record. I thought I hit the record button, but I didn't. But we popped the whole right side out, so I will record this side because I still haven't gotten this one out yet. So let's do that side now. Alright, so it's looking like I am gonna have to cut the carpet. I was trying not to, but I'm gonna have to. So like right here, it's literally underneath the car. Like they did whatever they did, sorry. They did whatever they did, and they laid the carpet down and then put everything on top. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna cut as close as I can to this stuff. That way, when we put everything back in place, you won't see all of this. This will all still be black and stuff. Once I paint it and dye it. So that's the goal. I'm gonna just cut literally, like I said, along right around here. That should be good. And because all of this stuff, even if I don't paint this, I am gonna paint this, but even if I were not to, this is all gonna be covered up by the rest of like the, you know, cup holders and stuff like that. So do my best to cut all this out properly, but we're almost there, boys. did it. We did it. We did it, bro. We got the whole backside out. The whole backside is out. Oh my God, we did it. There's no way. It's so dirty, bro, but it still fits perfectly. So it was a bit of a fight trying to get it out, but when we go to put it back in, it's gonna be seamless, bro. And when it's all black too, oh man, we're really doing it, man. This is insane. I love it. We're almost done, man. We gotta get the front out, and then we'll officially have the full carpet out. Man, I cannot believe I'm actually doing this. This is insane. I really got the carpets out right now. This is actually like crazy. We got to get the left side out now. Also, we got to lay out the sound deadening in here. It looks like all this black stuff, I don't know how well it's going to pick up. I think that is sound deadening, but it's like really small and thin. Like if that really is what that's supposed to be, they literally did no effort to make it quiet. But also, this isn't like a sports car or anything, so it's not like they were trying to really, you know, get rid of all of the sound. So I mean, I don't know, maybe. But also too, bro, that's a hole. I can see the ground. Like, wait, see if I get my fingers to show. Look, it's my hands. I'm underneath the car. Why are there two big holes? There's one on this side and there's one on that side too. I don't know if there was supposed to be something there, but they're just, I'm covering those up, right? So I'm in Florida. There's a big bug problem out here. Well, especially in this apartment complex. I'm literally like near the forest and shit. So I'm going to be covering that up, patching it up. I'm going to do it tonight too, just in case, because I'm not going to be putting the carpet back in today. But I already seen like a few bugs like just running around in here. I've been stomping everything out. Getting those holes patched up is a big thing. I'm gonna just put some tape over them for now. That way we shouldn't have anything walking or running inside and out of this car while it's like this until we dye and get the carpet back in. Once we dye the carpet and get the headliner out and everything, we're gonna start moving forward, basically putting everything back in. Like, I'm gonna dye the carpet, we're gonna paint the panels, and literally just start putting the car right back together. Like the carpet was like the biggest thing, getting that out so we can paint it, and now we can start basically getting ready to move forward with redoing the whole interior now. We've come so far, man. Like the hard part was taking it all apart, but putting it back together is gonna be my favorite part. I'm just excited for it. So let's get that side out really quick, and then we'll call it a night. Okay, so finally got the other side out. Oh my God, it was a pain. Bad news is though, ended up breaking my pedal to get it out. But it's cool, we're redoing the interior, so I could just buy a new one. I wasn't trying to break it, but the way you're supposed to get these out, there's like a tab here at the bottom that was literally underneath the carpet, and I digged, finally got it, pushed it down like you're supposed to, and then this is supposed to come up. And literally for like, it's been 30 minutes, I swear to God, I've been prying it with a flat head, everything, just trying to get it out, and I couldn't. So I said, you know what, snap. And then I just cut around the edges of it, get it to fall out properly. And so now I got it out. The cool part is, a lot of the cuts and stuff you see, it's all gonna be, you're not gonna be able to see it because of it being going black now. Once I paint it black and everything, all of these little cuts and lines like here, you won't really see these. And a lot of the cuts that I had to do were like in areas that are going to be covered up. So like down here, this kind of ripped, but this is where the seat will be over, so you won't really see that. But again, with the black, you won't be able to see it to begin with anyway. It's all gonna blend in properly, so I'm excited, man. I'm tired. This is the one thing I do want to say to everyone here who's watching this video, whether you are a subscriber or just someone watching, coming by, man, keep pushing yourself and don't ever give up on your dreams, because years and years of me wanting to do this and not going through with it, I finally took the chance and I finally went for it. And I know for some of you guys, it's like, oh, it's a video, blah, 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 but I'm serious about it, man. You guys don't understand how good I feel about getting all of this out of the car, just getting everything done. Like, it's insane how much we've gotten done and how much progress we made. We're literally just about done ripping everything out. because at that point it's just putting the new stuff in. The door panels is kind of the idea, the concept, the black with the red. So I'm gonna be doing the same thing for the back. It's gonna basically match because the patterns are the same. So it's gonna be black on top, red in the middle, black on the bottom. And then the seats will be black. I'm gonna get custom racing seats. Guys, gotta wait until I actually get them. That'll probably be one of the last things I do. We're also gonna be doing a new steering wheel. I can't remember if I mentioned it before, but I did say that I wanted to switch out a new steering wheel. So I have one that I found that I want. It's gonna go with the aesthetic. It looks really cool. I can't wait to get it. And then yeah, man, we gotta paint the dash and start putting everything back in, man. I'm so excited because we're here. Like this is where we wanted to be this entire time. So let me get everything inside and we will wrap the video up and I'll talk a little bit more about what the plans are going forward. We'll be back. All right, so everything's here, man. We got door panels, the rear panels, the rear pieces, the back seats. We got the carpet and stuff all over here. Side trim, the foot pedal, literally the dash. Like everything for the Beamer is basically here in the car. The only other thing that we don't have is the headliner, which I will be taking out at some point soon. I really want to start painting and getting this stuff back in before I get to the headliner, because the headliner, I'm sending it off to somebody to help do some cool stuff to it, which will be obviously later on, probably in February that you guys will be seeing that. But for now, this is what we're working with. This is what we got. In the next video, we are probably going to be laying out the sound deadening for the floor, because I really want to get that put in. You guys saw those holes. I taped them up already. We'll look at that in the next video as well. But I taped them up just because I don't know why there's two just big like, I get it, their carpet and stuff is there, so I understand that, but why are there two big holes? I patched them up personally because Florida has like a bug problem here. Like, still used to it, but there's like roaches and just like, you know, ants and spiders, all that shit. I'm good off that, all of that. When I was taking this carpet out, I saw a few of them and I'm like, nah. You guys, I wasn't recording it, but I've never stumped out my car. I patched those holes up, and then the sound deadening, I'll just drop on top of it as well. I'm gonna leave the tape there because why is that even there? I don't understand. But having that sound deadening there will be just amazing. It's gonna look great. So that will be all taken care of. In that video, we'll do that, but we'll also be cleaning this up and the other ones. And then painting them as well. So all of this will be done hopefully in the next video while I'm also doing the sound deadening. But for now, that's all we have for you guys today. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank y'all so much for watching. Thank y'all for hanging out with your boy. We're literally at the final phases of taking this car apart and I'm so excited about it. Like, y'all don't know, man. I've really been putting in the work, really getting things done, and I'm proud of myself, seriously. So thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, it's your boy Champ, and we out.